To change the text color in Squarespace, start by opening a web browser and navigating to the Squarespace website. Once there, click on the Login button, typically located on the home page, and enter your email and password information to gain access to your account. After logging in, go to your account dashboard by clicking on your account name and selecting the corresponding option from the drop-down menu. From the dashboard, access the editing section of your website, where you can modify various aspects, including pages, content, and more. Locate the specific section you want to edit and click on the Edit button. This will open up a range of editing options, including the ability to add blocks, edit text, and modify the layout. To change the text color, click on the Text option and then select Edit. This will bring up a range of styling options, including text color, background, and alignment. Click on the text color option, represented by a black dot, and a color palette will appear. From here, you can choose from a range of pre-selected colors or opt for a custom color by selecting the Custom option. This will give you access to a wide range of colors to choose from. Once you've made your selection, your text color will be updated.